Okay, so this is a test case for these online lectures that we're going to try and do. This is a recording that you can play back, or I assume you can play back and do it any time. I'm going to try and throw this up either on YouTube or on Moodle if I'm able to give you guys access to it. So I just wanted to let down some ground rules on this first day so we know what we're going to be doing for the next 3 weeks or more. So this class is going to change a lot. Some of the normal stuff that we're doing is just, it's not possible or realistic anymore. Obviously, there's no A+, even though, or if you guys really want to do that stuff, we can. We can throw it up on Moodle. No notes. It doesn't really make sense to actually do notes like this. You're welcome, of course, to follow along whenever we do PowerPoints like this. But I will not grade them. So your grade's going to totally be made up of different quizzes and short response things that I have afterwards. So it's really important kind of to be on that. I'm going to make sure to take them seriously because that prop that notes were, they kind of acted for a lot of you guys as like a buffer for your grade, really easy grade. Now that's gone. So you guys need to really be on these assignments and take them very seriously. When I record these lectures, it is important to listen to them and to actually listen to understand, not just listen to take notes. Those aren't even being graded anymore. It is kind of hard to BS some of these assignments that I'm going to be giving. BS some of these assignments I'm going to be listening if you don't actually try to listen and understand what I'm saying. It is okay to cheat by looking up information during assignments. If we have a quiz or a test, it's going to, you can go into another tab and look up a basic answer. That's one, I have no way of really controlling that, and two, you guys have seen my test before. It's a little hard to actually do that. It's not a basic multiple choice type thing. It's going to be, ask you to do research and try and figure this stuff out. We're going to be flexible with these rules, change them as needed. Maybe this isn't all going to work. Maybe there's a better way of doing it. I'm actually interested in hearing from you guys as far as what we need to do. We're going to continue off right where we left off. I know we just had a kind of a whole week where we did makeup work. We're going to keep talking about the black market, and these fun current events with the coronavirus and shortages in stores are going to give us a lot of opportunities to look at real articles and stuff like that and see these economic principles in action. If you have issues, especially with Moodle itself, I'm still learning it, so I've got to kind of figure out what's going on with it. Make sure you call into the school or email Sweeney. He's kind of the Moodle expert. Up there is my Google Voice phone number during the school day, so 7:30 to 2:30. Call or text that number is another good way of reaching me, especially, texting. Obviously, my email is up there as well, which is another really, really good way of contacting me. Please let me know if there are any issues or confusions. Depending on the class, the information might be a little weird, a little hard to get, so I do want to hear if there's any confusion on your guys' part, and I can definitely help you and talk to you, as well as direct you to other resources that are available. And that's it, day number 1.